Hello, and welcome to today's episode on Formants. We use the Formants to help make people conscious of one's personal expression, this being especially relevant for voice professionals such as singers, actors, and others. The first paper examines mathematical simulations about formants among others, and show that the vocal tract is dependent on yielding walls being considered for mathematical modeling. The second on voice modulation is presenting the use for entertainment, which is a huge aspect. They show a voice modulation program for this purpose. Of course, their comments on voice phishing with voice formants is a danger that we are all aware of. In our work with formant analysis, we used the program Vocevista. We later on compared the results with newer software and found them to correspond. Vocevista spectrogram, as shown here, could at the time only record up to 5000 Hz. Formants was defined as a bundle of harmonic overtones, which combined represented a maximum due to the resonant area of humans. The harmonic overtones with the highest point in decibel reflected in the formants was selected for the calculations. The amplitude of the selected harmonic overtones was read from the lowest to the highest point. The first three formants over 1000 Hz were evaluated visually with associated decibel. It provided no quantitative data other than the graph. We made measurements up to 20,000 Hz. When newer software for the clinic became available, such as SIGIT, we went back to Vocevista, and by visual observation, we entered the numbers of free formants into a dataset to evaluate the quality of the software. We found that Vocevista and SIGIT were comparable as far as measurements results, which is why we have used SIGIT a lot since then for many purposes. Each of the subjects were evaluated with corresponding high-speed film to ensure that it was normal voices. From Phoniatrics 1, we present the overview of formants. As we referred to in the first part of this presentation, there are a lot of ongoing studies of formants. For us, SIGIT was very interesting because we found formants around 10,000 Hz in singers. When we started analyzing formants in children, we found that singing boy choirs had very clear singing formants around 5,000 Hz, measured with equipment from Bryl and Kjær, a Danish company. Cartier and Rebbe found that formant perception is as relevant in children as in adults. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.